Hello everybody and welcome to Excel tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how to freeze rows in Excel. So right now, as you can see, we have a hospital data, and in here we have a lots of values as well. Now what I want is I want to freeze the title of this data so I can have a look on this data more accurately. And to do so, make sure you are on the views tab, and from there you need to head over to freeze panes. Drop down this, and in here you have three particular options. In here we are going to be selecting freeze top row. Now if you scroll through your data, you will be able to see that our topmost row is not moving at all, and now we can have a better understanding of our data as well. So you can see, even though if I scroll to the end, our topmost titles are still there. So that's a really nice and easy way to freeze your rows. But now let's say for a particular reason I want to freeze this very first set of data with along my titles as well. What you can do is you have this option of split. When you click on that, you can see a line emerge on our screen, and we can just move it anywhere we want. So if I want to just freeze the first set of data, now you can see I have placed it below my data, and now if I scroll my data, you can see our titles and our very first data is now freezed. So that's how you can freeze rows in Excel, and I really hope you learned something new in this video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.